So you see the red lights behind me. They look a little orange, but that's red, okay? Again, this situation playing out in the crypto market, it really comes down to one word for me: when. When are we going to get some stability, and when are we going to get some continuity? Meaning, when is this going to not be a really good green day followed up by a really bad day and give up the gains we made? I mean, we were knocking on the door yesterday of $1.3 trillion market cap, getting, looked like we might have been moving back in the positive direction. But if you were watching the crypto market yesterday, it was up really high in the morning, and then it just kind of gradually stair-stepped all the way down. And I was watching it, all the way till I went to bed last night. Woke up to negative 5.7%. Here's the thing, guys. Okay, so we got a couple things moving around. Okay, I want to show you a couple things. $200 million in positions have been liquidated following a second sharp drop for Bitcoin in 7 days. Man, okay, so but this is interesting. The move mimicked the price action on June 1 when the world's largest, when Bitcoin went from 32 to 30. Bitcoin does remain in a relatively tight trading pattern from 32 to 28. Again, you can see Bitcoin is trading in 29.7. Okay, there is not a tremendous amount of volatility. The lack of volatility is translated to slight decline in trading volume. Okay, so trading volume still looking pretty good. But look at this: more than 218 million worth of positions on derivative exchanges have been liquidated in the past 24 hours. Whew, that's a lot. Okay, that's what's going on. Okay, so we've also got fear and greed index. Fear, we're still in an extreme fear place. Why does this matter? Retail investors, you and I, there's billions of you and I across the world that are fearful, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Fuel is at an insanely high price. It costs more to go to the grocery store. Your rent, your mortgage, all that stuff is higher. And if it's higher at the end of the day, your choice related to investing in crypto, by the way, in stocks right here, is to not make a choice. Your choice is to not make a choice, meaning you're going to hold on to your dollars and hold on to them and not do anything with them. Okay. Also, you've got everywhere you turn, recession, target basically giving warnings. Everything just seems to be bad. Okay. Now, also, we've got now starting to get glimpses into the crypto regulation bill, okay? And so U.S. crypto bill allegedly leaked, and it's basically going after exchanges, DAOs, stable coins. There's a lot. I've got a video here on my channel that I did today on regulation. If you want to go take a look at that, check it out, okay? But this is also going into the mix. We're getting insight into the crypto regulation bill. Regulation scares the heck out of people overall in crypto. Doesn't really surprise me that we've got a pretty fair amount of outflow, if you will, in crypto. People going, oh my God, the sky's falling, regulation is coming. I'm going to tell you this, guys. Regulation is the path to growth. Don't shoot the messenger. Let me finish this, okay? So here it is. Before you say this, I'm going to tell you this. There is trillions and trillions of dollars globally waiting to come into crypto. And it's waiting for one thing: regulation. I am simply not an advocate of regulation for regulation's sake. And regulation scares me too. I'm not going to tell you I'm not on, but because usually governments have a tendency to kind of maybe not get it right. But regulation does pave the path for growth. Look at the stock market, okay? Go back, decades ago, regulation paved the path for stocks to become as massive as they are. Crypto's the same. How we're going to get to 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 trillion dollars in overall market cap is regulation. Because there are billions and billions and billions of people that have trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars waiting for regulation to come into place so that crypto is more, quote, legitimate. I believe crypto is legitimate, but my point to you is there's billions of people out there that don't understand it, don't get it, and they want to wait and see how all this plays out because they want to go into a regulated space so that they are, quote, safe and all that kind of stuff, okay? That's where we're at, okay? So we got a lot of factors. Oh, by the way, macro factors here: recession fears, Russia-Ukraine crisis, China, COVID, global supply chain issues. The list goes on and on. That's all I got for you right now. As always, appreciate you giving me a few minutes of your day. I'll see you. Go make some money. Bye.